Pim pim. It talk up to a massa sorry. Nabusia di diame huatum. Any mere one papua no care. Then you have a penicillin and I'm nice. Man cry, Busia better come. I do this for my family and myself. Trip is say the punkum. Then you have a penicillin and I'm nice. Man cry, Busia better come. I do this for my family and myself. Trip is say the punkum. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. And pim 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 pim. The top up to a massa sorry. Nabusia di diame huatum. Any mere one papua no care. And pim 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 pim. The top up to a massa sorry. Nabusia di diame huatum. Any mere one papua no care. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I see me penny. Because I'm trying to see me. I quite have seen some young party coming home. I see me penny. Because I'm trying to see me. I quite Madam Father, I put things up. After I make a grab the minimum when I made them say to us. Life is a wild carnival. Mama made many be why I can wash. The time I will need to be passing. I carry every moment in my spirit gift. Life is a wild carnival. Mama made many be why I can wash. And pim. The top of to a mess, sorry. Nabusia di diame huatum. Any mere one papua no care. And pim. The top of to a massa sorry. Nabusia di diame huatum. Any mere one papua no care.
Totally did.
Arilari, Arilari, Neruru. I keep hearing voices reading, asking me do I trust them, believe. Better is Adira, Isera, when I give you no breda, no giving no breda. Ozi, Ozana getting here, Ozi, Ozana getting nearer. But our voice is my head telling me to surrender. If I should surrender, what I go chop, oh my brother. Inky, got treat many this, I will never say never. Negative thoughts in my head, saying make I just take Sakawa. Many things my eyes are seeing, come on, mouth, no they do complaining. I got wounds on my body, I'm healing. Spiritually battles I'm facing. With a trap in the bando, with a fight like taekwondo. We'll stay in a commando, and we'll see we fall a show. Oh, I keep hearing voices reading, asking me do I trust them, believe. Better is Adira, Isera, when I give you no better, no giving no greater. Ozi, Ozana getting nearer. Ozi, Ozana getting nearer. Tell me every day tables change. Sometimes get up and your seat. What you call your own is cause some moonies tend to zombies. Vampires on the roof, they want to come for your blood, they wanna be something. Are you praying or you joking? We just sing melodies to kill our sorrows. Act busy, we stand 10 toes. Ariles, we don't fold. Be 2 days, speed on the road. Paradise, I get from here. Get the best singing. Hosanna. Talk to me, oh destiny. Talk to me, I'm listening. Yeah. Why I keep hearing voices, reading, asking me do I trust them, believe. Better this I did, he said, I said, when I give you no greater, no giving no greater. Ozi, 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 Hosanna gets in here, Hosanna gets in here. Ozi, 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 Hosanna gets in here, Hosanna gets in here. Hosanna voices in my head telling me to surrender. Hosanna gets in here, Hosanna gets in here. Got treatment, this I would never see it ever. Hosanna gets in here, Hosanna gets in here.
All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's just give some few minutes, 1 or 2, to our colleagues who are yet to join. Then we will start the session. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah.
Oyo.
So made it.
Yedi I see me penny pan. The Cathans why I see me eat it. I could answer some damn body coming home soon. After I make a calamity difference, the minimum when I'm a dance and glass. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many many be why I like a bush. Every time you know when you be to me pass it. I carry every moment me my spirit day free. Life is a wild carnival. Mama many be why I like a bush. And pim come. The top of to a massa sorry. Kabusia didi ame ho atom. Any mere won papua no ke and come. And pim come. The top of to a massa sorry. Kabusia didi ame ho atom. Any mere won papua no ke and come. Kenya me penisa me na ma me nice. Man kwa busia bada come. I do this for my family and myself. They say be pum pum. Kenya me penisa me na ma me nice. Man kwa busia bada come. I do this for my family and myself. They say be pum pum. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. And pim time, pim come. The top up to a massa sorry. Kabusia didi ame ho atom. Any mere won papua no ke and come. And pim time, pim come. The top up to a massa sorry. Kabusia didi ame ho atom. Any mere won papua no ke and come. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. I'm a soldier, one man soldier. Instruction soldier. Yedi I see me penny. The Cassans why I see me. I could answer some damn body coming home soon. Yedi I see me penny. The Cassans why I see me. My brothers, Madame Father, what we decent. After I make a granny, the minimum when I'm a dancing glass. Life is a wild carnival. Mama, many be why I can wash. Every time you know, we need to be back.
Okay. Well, I chose these 2 songs that we played earlier for some reasons. The first one has to talk about Sakawa. If I take Sakawa, what to happen? But the voice keep on telling me to do better. And then well, Amrado's own, I just like the beats. And then it's all about money, or it's about making it out there, not just about anything, but how to hustle, how to make it out there. All right. So as usual, I'm Franklin Echihase, your host for today, and welcome back to everyone who was here yesterday, and then welcome to our new members that are joining us today. So this program is Women in Trading, and we are empowering her financial future. And before we start, we need to just get some housekeeping rules. Yes, not anything so big, but first let's mute ourselves if we are not talking or we are not allowed to talk. And then if you want to ask a question, just raise up your hand and then you will be allowed to talk, or you will be allowed to give us your feedback. But if you don't want us to hear your nice voice, the best is also to leave it in the chat or in the Q&A session there. And also, let's not forget to take notes. Very, very important. This section is very, very important to take notes. If you are not taking notes now, you will need it later. I remember when we started, there was something about the time that the market do open in each country. We have about 5 or 6. Anytime I want to know when the session or the market session will be open, I have to go and look for it in our WhatsApp chat. And imagine the number of chats we have. I have to be scrolling, and that was very, very, very bad. But I was told that the best thing to do is to take notes, have a note, and then it will be easy for you. And then let's have a recap of what we actually learned yesterday. So the video aforementioned, or the video that was on our YouTube account, you can go and also listen to it. We actually discussed forex market in general, and then we dwell into debates surrounding the legitimacy of it, and then we also explore the significant participants in the market, and then some strategies for profit generations, how the market works. We all learn about that. So basically, that's what we learn. And if anyone would like to tell us something, if anyone would like to just give us some 30 seconds knowledge that he or she, in fact, she gained yesterday. Anyone? Anyone to tell us what she learned yesterday? Okay. All right. You can leave it in the chat section and I'll read it out another time. All right. So without much ado, we are far behind time, 8 minutes after 4. So I'll invite my boss, JK Market, JK Academy, JK Innovation, Mr. Justice Kofi Amegashi. RDJK, over to you.
All right, thank you. I hope you can hear me clearly.
Yes, yes, you can.
I can get feedback.
Maybe you should check your mics. Maybe the two are all working at the same time.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello? Okay, it's better.
All right.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
All right. Okay, so you are all welcome to day 2 of Women in Trading, trying to empower women to know how to trade in the global financial market. And yesterday we understood that when we save our monies with the banks, they use the money in this market. All the monies in the world are in the global financial market. That's what gives value to your currency. That when you carry 1 CD, it's not equivalent to £1. The reason is how we participate in the global financial market. We are not participating well, therefore our currency doesn't have a lot of value compared to currencies of different nations. Yeah. And then we looked at some currencies and their names in the global financial market. We look at the US dollar, and we said the first 2 letters are the name of the country, and the last one is the first digit of the currency they spend. So taking America for an example, we said the US is the country, and then the D is the dollar. Australia, we learned that they spend dollar, so AU, and then the D is the currency that they spend. And then I take you through some of the strategies that you use to predict the market. And I mentioned sentiment, where I was looking at consumer confidence, that people are complaining about the high cost of living in a particular nation. It's going to reflect on the strength of their currency. Then I also look at fundamental when I refer to the vice president of Ghana, who says that when the fundamentals are weak, the currency will expose you. And it is true. The moment you are putting in policies that are not in line, or that are not in line with what the global world think, or you have a policy that cannot be sustained, it means that it's quite weak, and the currency will expose you. I made a mention of the free SHS, and I said that it's a good policy, but there is nothing to sustain it because it's money being spent out. There is no money being made to cover for that, and that makes the fundamental weak. I spoke about Russia-Ukraine war, where the war is actually being fought in Kwame Nkrumah cycle instead of Russia or Ukraine, and it's affecting our currency. I also spoke about COVID-19, that COVID-19 only hit Ghana. It didn't hit any other nation in the world. Therefore, it's affecting our currency. Yeah, so all those comments from people who make decisions in the country has an effect on the currency globally. I made mention of the fact that one of the ways to strengthen your currency is purchasing in your currency. An example, we produce cocoa and gold, but if somebody wants to purchase our cocoa and gold, they pay us in dollars, and we don't spend dollars in Ghana. So you have to go to the global financial market to change the dollars that the person have used to purchase our cocoa back to cedis. And doing that, we give more demand for the dollar. And when demand increases, price goes up. So the price of the dollar keep going up because the demand for it is increasing. So one of the ways to strengthen our currency is what the government or whoever make policies for the nation decide that anytime you want to buy gold from Ghana, anytime you want to buy cocoa from Ghana, you need to change your dollar to Ghana cedi. In that way, the demand for the Ghana cedi will increase, and that will add value to Ghana cedi. By the time you realize one Ghana cedi is equivalent to £1. And it's not like it didn't happen before. There was a time that 80 pesos was equivalent to $1. There was a time in Ghana that 80 pesos was equivalent to $1. Now, $1 is equivalent to 12 cedis. What happened? Because of policies. And then the third thing I looked at was technical analysis, where I said we will be drawing a lot of things, trying to understand a particular pattern that different currencies and different nations follows. So today we are going to look at some type of orders, and then we will go into broker registration, because for us to be able to participate with the other people from all over the world, we will need to register with a broker, which I mentioned is an intermediate between you and the central market or the interbanking system. So where the whole world's money is, you cannot go there to go and place an order there, but there is somebody who will stand in between you and the global market that you instruct that, hey, I want to buy dollars, I want to buy pound, and they do that for you. So we will try to do that registration today. We will try to help most of you. That registration can be done on either your phone or your PC, and it depends on how seriously you take this. I'm having about 4 desktops for this thing because I know how important it is for me. So I don't use only my phone. But for today's registration, you might be able to use your phone, and I'll take you through. Now, we have something we call leverage. Leverage depends on what the broker will give you. So the leverage is, as a starter or as a small business girl or lady, you don't have enough money compared to the banks. The banks are coming into the market with billions of dollars and billions of pounds and billions of Ghana cedis, and you are going there with coins. Like Franklin started with $33. So comparing Franklin's $33 with maybe Ghana Commercial Bank or Bank of Ghana going in there with $50 billion, Franklin's $33 is we can't even find where that money is. So what the broker does is it gives you a kind of leverage, in that depending on the leverage they gave you, you could be able to, or you can place a trade as equal to an amount which is high. An example, during our broker registration, we will be choosing a leverage of 1:500, which means that Franklin's $33 that he invested, he will be able to buy an asset of 33 times 500. So that's the amount that the broker is thinking he's having in his account. So if he wants to buy any currency, he can buy as huge as 33 times 500. I don't have calculator here. That's why I'm not able to calculate to tell you the value. So, and the fact is that the leverage can work against you, because if you are buying an asset that is equivalent to 33 times 500, whilst you only have actual money of 33 in your account, if this thing should go against you, you are going to lose your money, because you are actually doing a high leverage trading. Then we have types of orders where you think a particular currency's value will increase, so you are pressing buy, and you think it will decrease, then you are selling. It's just a clicking. So it's something like you click sell when the thing is going. I'm trying to see something here. So you click sell when you believe the pair will go down, and you click buy when you believe it to go up. Then we have, so this is the market order. So a market order is an order to buy or sell at the best available price. For an example, the bid price for Euro USD is currently 1.1.
Sorry, JK, we are not seeing your screen.
Since when?
Since you started.
Hey! I'm sorry about that.
Yes, now we can see your screen now.
Okay, anyway, I just started. So a market order of an order to buy or sell at the best price. So when you want to sell or buy at the best price, that's the market order. For an example, the bid price of Euro USD is currently at 1.240, which means that you need $1.2140 to get 1 euro. The ask price is 1.2420. So the difference between the bid and the ask price is the spread, which is the money that the broker will earn from your investment. It's very small. You want to buy Euro USD at market, then it will be sold to you at the ask price, which is the 1.2142. You would click buy, and your trading platform would instantly execute a buy order at that exact price. Where I was telling you that in an advanced country, you go to their banks and go and tell them that, please, I want to buy Euro USD, and they will do the same thing for you that you can do in your room. Okay. Then we have limit orders. So a limit entry is an order placed to buy below the market or sell above the market at a certain price. Okay, so I can actually set that the pair should start selling. Let's say I'm doing US dollar against Ghana cedi, and I said, hey, if they vote well and Baumia wins, when Baumia wins, he said he's having new policies. So maybe Akufo-Addo is having his own policies, and Baumia is now having new policies. So I'm like, wow. So if Baumia wins, his new policies is going to drop dollar from 13 cedis to 6 cedis. So at the price 13 cedis, dollar is going to start to drop from that point to 6 cedis. So I'll just go and put a limit order at 13 cedis for a sell, that when the pair hits there, it will start dropping. So that's a limit order. It's the same for buy and sell. Now, stop entry means that you believe that the thing will continue. So I'm like, when dollar hits 13 cedis, it's going to continue to 20 cedis. So I'm going to put a stop entry order at 13 cedis, that if this thing move from 12 cedis and cross the 13 cedis, I have already predicted that when it cross that level, it's going to 20 cedis. So that's the stop entry. All these things are theories. So when we get into the practical, you're going to understand more what they mean. So a stop order is a type of order linked to a trade for the purpose of preventing additional losses if price goes against you. Remember, this type of order, a stop loss order, remains in effect until the position is liquidated or you cancel the stop loss. So somebody asked me, how do you control the market, or how do you predict? Yes, so Forex is probability, just as medicine is probability, that you can do everything for your patient and your patient will still not recover. It's the same with Forex, but there is a way of lowering the risk in Forex where even though you have 100% risk, there is something we call stop loss that can help you lower your risk to even 1% risk, depending on your risk level. So let's say I have $100 in my account and decide to go and buy euro US dollar and expecting a profit of $10. I can decide that if this thing doesn't happen and I should lose only $2 out of my $100 that I have in my account. If you don't do that, you can lose all the $100 because you've opened the $100 to 100% risk. So here we will be sticking strictly to stop loss. Yes, when the moment you all start placing trade, we'll be strict on checking stop loss. And with trailing stop, it means that maybe you place the trade at 12 cedis and it moves, you thinking that it's going to go to 20 cedis, but right now it is 16 cedis, so you are in a profit. So you can just move your stop loss into your profit, which means that if the pair reverse and come and hit you back in negative, you are actually not in negative, you are in profit compared to then you are also waiting for it to go and hit your initial profit target of the 20 cedis that you are aiming at. So the foundation of Forex trading, like right now that you've started, you have heard the basis, you have heard history. Anyway, I didn't tell you a lot of history, but history started from barter trading, where you bring your chair, you like chair, I give you goat. You don't have goat meat, so I'll give you goat. I want chair, so I get a chair. So they were doing all that until somebody decided that we should have a legal tender, we should have something that should have value to be able to measure table and goat. How do you measure table and goat? Because you are cheating me. I give you table and you are giving me just a small goat meat. So they decide to come out with money. And money is not a paper that you are holding. Money is a figure. The figure that is recorded against your name is that money. And that value, the value that is given to the money depends on where you are staying and the country you are staying in and the amount of currency that you are having. Yeah. So that's how come money came into existence, so that people will not be cheating each other. You know that one table is equivalent to 4 goats. So we all know that, oh, table is 10 cedi, goat is 5 cedi. So if I give you table, you have to give me 2 goats. So money came. Then human beings started chasing the money. Yes, we started chasing the money. We live all our lives chasing this same money, which is directly related to whoever is ruling us. Now, so the principle here is you buy low. So when the price of the Ghana cedi is low, you buy it. Then you sell it when it is high. So if $1 cedi to dollar is hot, 12 cedis, and you think it will go to 20 cedis, so you buy at the 12 cedis, and then when you reach 20 cedis, you sell it. So you buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Very simple. So this is how the chart looks like. So when the currency is going up, it's hot, it's a buy. When it's coming down, it's sell. So buy low, sell high. So you sell at the high for it to come down, and then you buy at low for it to go up. So later on, we will go straight into that. So what you need to know, you need a laptop or a smartphone. You need a deposit which is dependent to you. It's not, it doesn't have any connection with me. It depends on you that you are learning based on you are going to be practicing with a particular account for a while for you to know how consistent and profitable you are Based on that, you know what to start with. Then you have an internet connection. You need a bank statement to prove your address. So if you are living in Ghana, you have to go to your bank and tell them that you want an official bank statement. So they give you a bank statement. You use that bank statement to verify your location. Okay. And then you need either a Visa card or a MasterCard for your deposits. Currently, with those who are living in Ghana, you can use mobile money. You can use different kinds of currency, cryptocurrency. You have Skrill, you have perfect money. There is a lot of things. So it's either you're using Visa card or mobile money, whatever. And then you need a passport, health insurance, Ghana card. That's if you are living in Ghana, to verify your identity. That tells you how serious this thing is. Okay, you're going to verify all that. So we now move to the important part of today's discussion, where we are trying to get a broker. The broker, we have two types of brokers. We have regulated brokers and unregulated brokers. The regulated brokers are regulated by where they are located. Depending on where they are located, the government of that nation or that country needs to regulate them. Yeah, so the broker that we use when you are in Ghana, it's located in Cyprus. So it's regulated by the Securities and Exchange of Australia. So that's the broker that you'll be using if you're in Ghana. If you're in Europe, the broker you'll be using is located in Australia. It's also regulated by the Australian government. If you're in the US, the broker you use is also in the US, because the US have a lot of tax on forex trading. So if you're in US, it's quite difficult if you're a trader. So these are all some example of brokers. So if you are in Europe, you'll be using IC Market. If you are in Ghana, you'll be using Just Market. Our Pari is also located in Australia. FX Pro is located in England. Tickmail is located in England. Hot Forex is in England. FXTM is in England and South Africa. Pepperstone is in England and Australia. Traders Way, I think Australia. So we will be focusing on IC Market and Just Forex, but majority of us here, we are in Ghana, so we'll be using Just Market. If you are in Europe, because I know some European people who have registered, you go for IC Market. The trading platforms. So yeah, here you have to download this on your phone. It's called MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader 5 is an advanced version of the MetaTrader 4. But to make things easy for all of us, if you are using an iPhone, you can go for the MetaTrader 5. If you are using a smartphone, you can go for any other smartphone. You can go for MetaTrader 4 because it's easy to navigate. And the reason why iPhone users can go for the MetaTrader 5, I'll explain when we start doing the practicals. And that's the main reason I have an iPhone, not because of any other reason. So I don't know if you can see this very well. This is a trade account. So and it's a trade of pound against the US dollar. And the money that was in the account was 97,657 pounds. And this trade made a profit of 932.41 pounds. That's like it's a lot of money. So buy low. So I bought this thing low here. So you see 0.02. So buy low here. And it started moving up. So right now the price have moved from, I bought around 1.21345 and it's now 1.25069. So there is an appreciation in value. So you're going to make profit from that. Now, the type of trading, we have different styles of trading depending on your characteristics as a human being. How greedy you are, how patient you are, all of them count here. Okay, if you are a greedy person, maybe you should go for scalp trading. Scalp trading, you are just in the market for about 1 hour, 2 hours, 50 minutes, 5 seconds. So it's get in and get out. Day trading, you are in the market for a whole day, and if the day ends, then you are out of the market. And then we have swing trading. Swing trading, they keep their trade for as long as they want. If they want it 1 month, they can keep it 1 month because they are very patient individuals. So depending on how patient you are, you go for the market you can actually handle. So that's for the trading style side of things. So you can just start looking at yourself, start reflecting on your characteristics and see whether you are greedy or not, and see how do you want money? You want money too badly, or depending on that can also tell whether you'll be successful here in trading or not. If you want the money too bad, meaning you are going to be doing things you are not supposed to do because I told you that there is money here, so you are going to be doing unnecessary things that you don't need to do, just because you make shit and you want money. It doesn't need to happen that way. So we'll quickly go through this side of things. So technical analysis, drawing the lines, it's just 25% of the activities in forex trading. And then fundamental analysis, or whatever your government is saying, is just 5%. But the majority of it is what? Psychological. Greed is number 1. Impatient, number 2. So if you are greedy, is here. If you have fear in you, Forex can actually show you that you have a lot of fear in you. I don't know if Kelly is around here. It reached a point he doesn't even know whether to press the buy or leave it alone because fear have grabbed him.
Then
Yes.
go to lockdown very soon.
So when you are doing the right thing, fear will not catch you. But the moment you make you want to make the money by force, fear is going to grab you. And I think it's a gradual process. You don't have to be like me in 2 days. You don't have to be like when in 5 days. No, it takes progress. You have to progress. So you start from somewhere and gradually progress. Just as if you're a dietitian, you don't take 1 day to become a full-blown dietitian. You actually went through a 4 years course, did plenty internships and things, just so that you are well equipped for the job. You don't go and kill people's grandmothers. You see, it's the same with Forex. All right, so at this point, I want us to go to the broker registration side of things. Franklin, can you see my screen?
You're not sharing yet, but there was a question, and
Okay, the questions can come as
okay,
I'm setting up.
Precious is asking if one can change his or her trading style over time, or is one time chance.
No, you can change your trading style. There is actually nobody monitoring how you trade, whether you are a day trader or not. It's just a definition given to the type of trading, the way you trade. So depending on your confidence and how the market is going for you, you can decide to change your style of trading. It can also be based on your work. For me, based on my work, I can't be a scalper because I have to go to work and come back. So probably I can be a day trader or a swing trader because of my work. But maybe you have a lot of time. You can actually sit in front of your PC the whole day doing nothing. Then at that time, you can actually sit here and be scalping all the Imagine scalping 30 trades and you are making $5 per each trade, and you've done 30 times. That's how much. So that's scalping. Those who scalp and they are very good at it, they have a lot of money. So it depends on a lot of factors. Any other question, Franklin?
Okay, not yet, but please, she said, I feel the scalp traders will be more. Well, yes, it can be more though.
Yeah. A lot of people are scalp traders, but they don't really know they are scalp traders. But for you to be a swing trader, then you are a professional trader. You actually know what you are doing, and that's what the banks do. No bank go there to go and scalp trade. Banks leave their money there the whole year, and at the end of the year, this year they are going to cash out their money on the 18th of December. So 18th December, all banks are going to be out of the market. Bank of America, Fargo, all the big banks in the world are going to cash out their money on 18th of December. But we, the retail traders, we are inside. This is the time we are not supposed to be active trading, but it's the time we say we want to make it. No? So, yeah. Any other question? Franklin, people have raised their hands up.
Okay. Sorry, I went out for some few seconds. There are a lot of hands up. Yeah, Priscilla, I wanted to ask a question. Yeah, Priscilla's okay. Priscilla, are you ready? Or I should give okay, Clementina.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you for this opportunity and for this class. So, personally, I've come across
Clementina have give up before.
RDJK.
You can talk,
Clementina.
Personally, I've come across a couple of AI tools, or let me say AI tools that are solely into trading. So forex trading. So you just sign up and you just let the AI do the work for you. I wanted to ask, is it advisable to let an AI? We know AI is good and it has its benefits and everything. But then, as compared to you doing the trading yourself, you getting to know the markets and how to go about everything, as compared to you leaving it for an AI to do the trading for you, which one is appropriate? Or should you go for the two, or you should just make use of one more than the other?
Okay, thank you for your question. All right, so I wouldn't say that we don't actually call it AI. We call it either bot trading or expert advisors or robots. So the robot doesn't understand fundamental. The robots are based on technical analysis solely, and the kind of instruction you give to the robot is what the robot is going to be doing. I personally have some robots myself, but the problem is that the robots should be built by you yourself. If the robot is built by you and not by any other person, then whatever you instruct the robot to do is what the robot is doing. You are so sure about that fact that anything that you tell this robot is what this robot is doing, then it's your own personal robot, and I can't say don't use it. But then if you're a new trader like this and then you jump on robots, you are not going to be successful in trading. That one is for sure, because the robot doesn't understand a lot of things, and you have to make sure you understand these robots by yourself and know the weaknesses of the robot, what the robots cannot do, what the robots can do, how you are going to manage the things that the robots cannot do. So how I look at it for myself is, if the banks are not using robots, the big investors are not using robots, why am I using robots? Why do I want to make things easy for myself when it's actually a huge job? money is involved here, and you go and give it to robots to be doing. So I look at it from different angles. I know a lot of people who are successful using robots, but I myself, if the robot is not designed by you, I don't advise that you want to try trading with a robot as a starter. You want to understand the market well first, and then if later you have money to develop one for yourself based on the kind of strategy you develop for the market, then cool, that's fine. You can actually design one for yourself and go with it. So and then there is a lot of scammers in these markets. They might not tell you a lot of truth. They are going to be showing you things that will entice you and all that, without showing you the real truth of what happens in this market. So I can actually show you some of the robots we have for you to know that. So
Yes, Clementina, have more questions.
Okay, so
okay, so
yeah, so
these are some of the
I
robots
okay,
I
so
have
we will. Okay.
currently. So, oh, sorry. So these are robots. This I think Franklin have this.
Yeah.
So it's a robot that is telling you everything, but it's actually based on technical. It doesn't have anything to do with fundamental. So if somebody says something right now, the robot cannot react because it's based on technical. You understand?
Okay.
Clementina, are you okay?
RDJK, yes, I'm okay. So based on what you just said, you are trying to say that with the robots, yes, you can decide to go with the robots, but only if you probably program. I mean the bots, yes, only if you probably program it
Yourself?
the way you want it to work.
Yes.
So probably you give in like all the instructions,
Yeah.
you tell it what to do, then you know you are safe, you are good to go. So you can basically leave the robot to do probably a day trading for you or something whilst you sit and do other things, right? You can go about it like that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. But I don't want you to be lazy. Be a professional. So a professional do the job.
Yes. So
Professionals don't live. I don't think they'll give you 1 trillion to be trading and you go and put it on a robot. What tell you the robot wake up and malfunction? You are dead. Okay, so let's quickly go through the broker registration. Clementina, you have a broker already, so you don't have to do again. If you've already registered before, you don't have to register again.
okay. Before JK comes in, you have to know that whilst we are practice or we are doing or we are showing you here, you also practice along. You also register along. Despite we'll be making the videos available for use later. Remember that whilst you are doing it alongside, is much better than saying I'll do it later, and that is the basis of procrastination. So if you have your PC or your phone available with you, just get
Just
ready
follow
as
me.
we start.
Yeah.
Okay, over.
So thank you. I just sent a PDF to the group page. So you open that PDF. So that's what I'm going to be following. I just sent a PDF. If you have seen it, you can just do a thumbs up there for me to know you have seen the PDF. All right. So this is how this PDF look like. So I'm handling people who are in Ghana first. Somebody raised up their hands.
Yes, Delia, you wanted to ask a question. Zelia Abubakar, I wanted to ask a question. Okay, she dropped her hand.
All right. So, with the broker, when you open the book, everything in this book is clickable. You can actually click anything on this book. So you first of all click this area here. Just a minute. So okay, it has come. All right, so you click this area here, this place. Can you see my cursor? So you click on the link https://1. When you click on it, you click on registration. So when you click on it, something like this will appear. Then you click on registration. So after clicking on registration, something like this appears. Know that this is an official site and your monies are going to be kept here. So you don't do nickname. The names that appear on your card, that's what you use for your registrations. So your country of residence, you put your Ghana there, and then your email address, and then your passwords, and then you click register. Who have done that already? Who is following me? Is anyone following me?
RUJK, could you please start with the registration process?
Barbara, you have an account.
Oh, okay, all right. So I don't need to go to the
Register it.
registration. All right.
Yes. You'll detect that you have an account with them. So you just try to log in into your account. If you know your email and your password.
All right.
Yeah. Who else is following me? I want to know if someone is following me. Okay.
Yes, Maricela want to ask a question. Maricela.
I'm actually following.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so
Yes, that's how it is,
so
man.
where have you reached? Where have you reached? Have you reached the back office registration?
Okay. Zelia asked a question. Please, what app are we supposed to download? For now, I think
We'll download the app later.
yes. So you are using your browser. So if you're on your PC, just
Just
or
open the book,
the,
tap on the
yes.
link, open the book. You can either click here to register or you tap on this link. Everything is clickable in the book. Are we cool? All right. So after you entered all these things, then you click register. Now you receive a message saying that the account has been opened successfully. Authorization data were sent into your email. Did any one of you receive that? Did anyone receive that email? You can type in the chat box if you have received that email. Franklin, your people are not responding. No.
Audie, please. I'm with a friend.
Yeah, okay. Did she receive the email?
Babs, did the person receive the email?
Yes, she's received the email.
All right, Marisela too says she received hers.
Okay. So you see that after that message, you see trading account detail, and you see login, and then password, and then server. So this is what you have to keep. This is your first live trading account that you have to keep. Okay, so when you should deposit money, it's going to go into this account. This is what you use for your trading platform. But then let's go back. So after this side, go to account operations. So after receiving the email, go to account operations. So at account operation, go to my account. And when you reach your account, you see something like this. Barbara, have you seen something like this in your account? Stella, have you seen something like this in your account?
Yeah, Janice is also following.
Okay. My account, you see live, MT5. Okay. Then click on demo.
Yes, Audie, I've seen it. I've seen live and demo in my account.
So you now click on the demo because we have to be practicing until we are perfect. So the demo account is like a fake account, but every condition of trading is the same. It's just that the money that is in the account is fake. So we are going with demo. So click on demo. So when you click on demo, you now click on add new account. Then you put in your details. Your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your phone number. Then choose MT4 if you are using any other smartphone. If you are using iPhone, choose MT5. If you are using your laptop, choose MT4. Then at the MT4, choose a pro account. Then here, the trading currency, the currency that you want to be paid in, depends on every individual. But as we said, US dollar is hot, a universal use currency. You can choose pound, you can choose JPY, any currency there. But I want us to be on the same page, so you can choose US dollar, and then the leverage you use 1:500, and then put a password. For things to be easy for you, don't put a strange password that is different from the passwords you have been using. Just use the same passwords for anything that would ask for password as far as your trading is concerned.
Yes, JK, I remembered what we were taught was that we are supposed to use one particular password. So the password we use to open our account or to create the account, we use the same password for any of the trading accounts as well.
If you already have a MetaTrader account, it's different from the broker registration. Unless you have like Dinah, I think Dinah has Just Forex account, so she doesn't need to go through the Just Forex registration process. So when you finish, you will now click on create account, and then you see something like this in your demo platform, demo pro. Are we there? Stella, are you there? Barbara, are you there? Have you reached this side?
Yes,
No, please.
please.
We are still on it.
Where have you? So where are you? Opening trading account?
She's still inputting her details, like the verification.
Can we go on?
ID, please. They are saying she should upload her ID card.
At which side? Where is she? Which side is she currently? That's why I want us to follow. I want you to follow me. Marie Stella, where have you reached?
Please, am I the demo, the pro account? Where you've gotten to before you stop?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Did they ask you to upload your ID card?
No, they didn't. And then earlier you said I should add my name and stuff, but I didn't get that. It was not showing, so I just continued with the other one.
Oh, okay. So now click on
Okay.
the settings. When you can see settings close to your account, just click on that settings there. You see something like this. I can see account information, change Are you doing
language,
it
and
with
then change
the
password.
phone you are using now? Or you are doing it on a
Yes, so
PC?
I'm using the phone.
Franklin, give her access to share her screen.
All right. Barbara, right?
No, Stella.
Okay.
RD, we have the demo now.
Yeah, so Stella, you can share your screen. Oh, okay. She says she's using her phone.
It means she's following on her laptop.
Yes. But she's using the phone for the discussion, I guess.
Oh, okay. Barbara, which one are you using? Phone or laptop?
You are using phone.
But are you listening to me through a phone as well?
Yes, a different phone.
Oh, okay. I thought it's the same phone.
No, it's a different phone.
Oh, okay.
When you do the newbie.
Anyone? Okay. Yes, Maristella is sharing her screen.
Okay.
On her phone. Yes.
Okay.
How do I share where exactly I'm going to?
Just go to, click on it. Click on the Just Forest. Yes, so we can see.
Oh, okay.
So you've opened a $200 demo account. So click on the settings sign there. Yeah. Then go to account information.
Yeah.
So those are your account information. Now go to your this one. Franklin, how do they call it? Google Store, Google Play Store.
Yes, Play Store.
Okay.
We can see everything also if you come and show us something. So type MT4, search for MT4. So that's
I've
the
downloaded
account.
it.
Oh, okay, then go to your MT4. Go and open it.
I should accept, right?
Yes, accept.
Okay.
Everybody
Winifred
can
is asking a question. So after Maristella is done, we would like Winifred to also share her screen so that we see what she's.
Okay, so go to the three lines at the left top corner. Then click on account, manage accounts.
I think I've done it.
Then click on the plus sign there, the plus. Go to existing account. Log into existing account. Search for just market. Yes. So just Forex demo. The demo.
Okay.
The first one.
Yeah. Now go and copy your. Go back to your empty just Forex account and copy the login. Click
I
on the
used my
copy.
email. Or I should
Yes,
use this
just copy.
one.
Hey, no, go back to where you were.
Yeah.
No, where the just Forex or not here. Your
Your
email.
browser, also the email. The next one.
Right.
This is the email.
Go to back office. Click on go to back office. Hey.
I think unless I log in.
Okay, Maricela, go back.
From here.
In fact, scroll down. Scroll down.
Yeah, log in. I want you to log in.
But in her email, she may get it in. They may send her to. They may send her the details in her email as well. Yes.
She should just log in. Go to the 3 lines. Go back. You are already logged in. You are already logged in. So later on, you complete that verification there. So click on demo. Click on the settings sign. Account information. Copy.
This is my login.
Yes, so copy the account number. The 8043-588. Press the copy sign there. The thing feels copy. Okay, write it down and go and enter it.
So 8043-588. Just go to the other side.
8043-588.
Yeah.
Enter it there. Then
Now enter your password.
Log in. Sign in.
Have I signed in?
No.
Yeah.
If somebody else wants to share the screen to the person can let us know.
Yes, I would like Winifred to share. She's asking a question about, please, I'm a residence information and asking for either bank statement and others. I don't know where she is right now. So.
Okay, I'll help her. She can you wait, Barry, Stella should finish. Stella, go back. Let me see something. Press the arrow at the top left corner. To the left. Press it again. You are logged in. So
I'm already logged in.
Yes. Abi, you open $200 account. So that's it.
Yes.
So come down to the bottom. You see arrow up and down, and then you see the next one after the arrow up and down. Click on that one. So this so this is your chart. So you are logged in. That's it. So,
Clap
so
for
Francis,
me. Thank you.
right?
All right. So, Maristella, thank you. You can stop sharing your screen now. And then Precious says, please, what should one choose as the reason for opening the account? I don't know. A lot of people are different sections. I don't
So
know.
they should bring one of them on board so that we can answer those things.
Okay. So, Precious and Winifred, one of you should share your screen. All right. Winifred is sharing her screen. Oh, she stopped. Okay, she's back. Okay. Winifred, go to your browser. You bypass it, I guess. Yes, the second one. Yes.
Okay, go down, 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 down. So close and upload later. Up, up, up. Go to the three lines at the top right corner. Account operations. My account. Demo. Add new account. MT4 Pro. Yeah,
It's using
using iPhone.
iPhone. Yeah.
Yes, let's use the MT4. MT4 Pro. Try demo. So the currency is dollar. Leverage is 1:500. Leverage 1:500. Your account, how much do you want to start with? It's a demo, so you can type any amount there. Okay. So create. Press create.
No password.
Enter your password. Enter. Click on the password box.
But the leverage is 1:500.
Then the password, no. Choose other options. Because you are using an iPhone, no, it's suggesting for you. Other options. Choose my own password. Now type your own password.
And change the leverage. Oh, okay. Anyway, just already created an account.
You can save it on your phone. Now click on the plus sign, the settings, that settings sign there. Yeah. Account information. So this is your account information. So copy the account number. You can just press the copy sign there. Okay. So now go to App Store.
So this means that any other person in the call should go to the App Store and then download MT4 and MT5. You can download the two.
So download MT4 currently for yourself because you are registered with MT4. Yeah.
Winifred is trying to show us that she
You
knows
know the thing.
the meaning of MT4.
Show them.
Show
When you show them,
them.
they know they see her. Clean up and
Clean
show
up
them.
again and show them. Yes. So she clean up and show us. Aye. All right. Your network is very fast, Winifred. I wish I'm in your house right now.
Accept.
Accept.
Now go to settings. Go to
And
my new account.
Adi Justice is eating. He doesn't want to
Go
invite
to the
anyone.
plus sign. Log into existing account. Search for Just Forex.
Just market now.
Yeah, so the first one. Paste login. Well, you for type out. What happened?
Looks like she's trying to log in. No.
You've not entered password. Click on the just. No, go back. Back. Click on Just Forex disconnect. H2. Click on the dot. The 3 dots. Is that number correct? Is it 81283?
Yeah.
Or if it's correct? If it's correct, then enter your password.
I think the number should be 6 digit too.
Yeah.
Try to paste what you copied earlier, or you can go back and cross check.
It's not pasting, security.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now enter your password. This one is correct.
Is correct. Now enter your password. Where password is, click there. No, the top password.
And on that one, tap on where the password is.
Yes.
And type your password there.
Oh, I think she has already typed it first. The security reasons we can't see it from iPhone.
Okay. Then continue. Yeah. Anyway, phone papa.
You know, right?
Well, I saw invalid account, so something was wrong again.
That one, yeah. Okay, Winifred, can we show us your? Okay, she pasted it. Now enter the password you entered. Then if you are done, you click on sign in. Okay, Winifred, send us to your account first where you took a screenshot. Yes, here. Okay, 8043595. Okay.
Go back.
8043595.
Go back to your MT4. Click on disconnect. No, click on the disconnect side. The top one, 3 dots. Okay. Frankly, is the account number correct?
80435. Yes, yes. Then maybe she's not inputting the password
Maybe
correctly.
the password, you are not inputting the password correctly. Or type the account. Don't paste it.
8043595. Now type your password. The password you used to input when you were creating the MT4 demo. Okay, so I don't know. It looks like her password is what is wrong.
Please go back to the Just Forex account. Yeah, here. Now click on the sign. The cross sign there. No, down settings. The settings sign. Change password. New password. No, get a pin. Don't write it. Clean. Tap on get a code. So they sent you a code.
Her email. Her identification has been processed.
Oh, okay. She sent her document.
Yeah. That can tell you she's very serious with this thing.
Okay, the pin has come. Good. Now go down. Confirm. All right. Now go to your MT4 again. Tap on the Just Forex demo disconnected. Tap on the 3 dots. Okay. Enter the password, the new one.
Winifred, can I see your account again? Yes, go to that side. Let me see your browser. Yes, 8043595. Okay, so now let's go back. 8043595. Now choose new account. This one, go back.
595.
Yeah, I just wanted to start all over again. Yeah, so new account, existing account.
Or she didn't open data for the MT4. Does she manage data to the apps that need to receive data or something?
Maybe that one too. Okay, so now search for just, okay, it's already there, demo. So choose that one.
So I'm thinking she has limited the data that should go to the apps.
Go back. Okay, you search for, like, click on the just Forex demo. Yes. So now enter 8043595. And now your password. Oh, simple. You have already saved the account, so you just have to use your Face ID for it.
Ego.
She's here to type in. I think she's typing it. So okay, it has worked.
Click the plus sign there. Open oil. Press the plus sign for all of them. So Maristella, you do the same thing. So you are adding the currencies to your chart. Go back. Go to metals. Add not all.
Anyway, she can add all, by the way. When she's done, she press done. If
okay,
not,
no problem. Add that one, the top one, the last one, the gold. Go back, add this one. One. Okay, you can now go back. Go to Forex M. No, not this one. Go, okay, add Eurozar. EURZAR.
that currency, that pay. As far as that here, yourself you should know.
EURZAR. Okay, go down. Let me see. All right, so you can go back. Then cryptocurrency. Add that one, BTC. Go back. It's okay. Go to exotics, Forex exotics.
RD.
Yes.
When I type the crypto, nothing came up.
Then maybe your crypto is already added.
Oh, okay. You didn't come. My friends didn't come as well.
One of you have to.
So
yes, Marista on the MT4 app. Okay, so you are done. Click done. Press advance. Let me see. So the market will open at 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. you see that these things will start changing. Right now the markets have closed, so it's not changing. It will open Sunday 10 p.m. and close on
Bitcoin is
Friday.
Bitcoin is still open. Bitcoin is still open, JK.
Where?
Go down, Winifred.
Yes, Bitcoin there, it's always moving. All right. So Winifred, tap on one of the currency and go to chart. So this is how your chart will look like. But next week we will learn how to
customize.
Anyway, let's just customize it at once. So we know that we've done customization at once for Apple users. So go to settings. Then go to settings. Yeah, go to chart.
No, not here. Go back.
Now go to colors. All right, so just a minute. So the four ground black, grid, white, bar up, black, bull candle, green, bar up is black, bar up black, bar down black. So bear candle, red. No, use a brighter red. That red is too dark. Yeah. Then line charts, black.
I'm coming.
Volume, green. Bid price. Bid price, blue. Axe price, yellow. Deep yellow. Yeah. Trade level. This blue here. Sea blue. No, use the real blue. Yeah. Yeah. Stop loss, red. Then press back. Then on period separators, on axe price line, then trade level, on OHLC, and on data window. Then go back. Then click on the chart at the bottom. Let me see.
Wait.
No, bottom.
Go back.
Down.
Chat. The menu down.
You have quotes. No. Quotes, charts, trade, history. So go to chart. Bottom. Cra.
On your left.
Tap on your screen. Go to indicators. Go to that line, the arrow to the right on relative strength index. Then, oh boy. No, go back. Tap on it and hold. Go to tap on the indicator window. 1. Frankly, how then they delete that thing?
Which one? What we just did?
No, I want to delete the.
Go back.
I think you should move it.
Yes.
Drag the relative strength to the left. Move it.
No, the indicator window to the left.
Yeah, Press delete. Now go back. So this is your chart. By your this thing, go back to settings.
You choose the foreground to be black.
Your settings. Your chart.
Colors, I guess.
Colors. Foreground.
So that's white, and then this thing is black. Let's say I choose white.
Okay,
and
choose
then
white.
the grid line is black.
Okay,
Yeah.
red line black. Okay, Yanko, go back. Let's see. Chart. Yes, exactly.
I think she's using dark theme.
And so this is the chart pattern we will be using. Maristella, are you able to do your own? Thank you, Winifred. So,
Thank you very much.
Anthony,
Yeah.
give her the access.
Okay. Winifred. Okay. Yes. So Maristella can share your screen.
Now, the laptop, those who are using laptop, head to the jkmarket.co.uk website. Go down a little, you see download MT4. If you are using your laptop.
Okay. So Maristella, go back to your chat. I'm an iPhone user, so JK.
The three lines at the top right, top left corner. Then settings. So I'm going to give Maristella a different look. So go down. Down. Is that the end of the down?
Yeah.
Go up. Let me see.
Talents is there.
Where?
Maristella, I choose talents.
Yes, color scheme.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to leave your own white like that. So foreground black, grid line white, bar up. Bar up. I'm coming. I want to give your own a different look. Bar up black. Bar down black. Blue carrot, blue, green. Is that green?
That's light green. Anyway, that's fine.
Okay. Green is the next one. So bear candle black. The rest can be the same. So go click the down at the top right corner. Now click on the chart at the bottom. The arrow, first arrow, then there is some 3 candles, then there is some line B. The down, down, down.
The menu at the bottom. Maristella, are you there? Hello, Maristella. Okay, I guess she was up.
I'm saying that
Uh,
is it the three candles or the arrow after the three candles?
the three candles. Now tap on your screen. Tap on your screen. Just tap. Okay. Click on the F.
F.
Then press the delete box there. Tap both of the boxes. Press delete. So now tap the first arrow at the arrow side. No, go back where the three candles is. No, the left.
Yeah.
So this is the currency watch. So go to the plus sign to add the other currencies. So go to oil. Tap on them. Tap Brent, WTI. Just tap on them, then they will leave. Open crypto. Tap on it. Open Forex S. Tap on the first one. Second, tap. Yeah.
All of them.
Yeah. Okay, go to metal. Tap on them.
Also all.
Yeah, no problem. Tap on all. Okay, now go back. Press the back. Tap on any of the other currencies. Tap on any of them. Go to open chart. So the currency you tap on, what's the name?
I can't see you.
It's at the top right, top left.
I know. I can't see the screen. I can't see.
So it's Euro New Zealand dollar. But you are on a 5 minutes. So tap on your screen. Pa. So we have 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hour. So go to 1 hour, H1. But we will look more into it next week, where I wish that everybody would have registered by that time. That's how come it's weekly. We will be on the page to help everybody register. So that's it. So you are registered.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So during the week, have you seen this plus at the, go there again, let me show you something. Have you seen the plus sign here at the top right corner?
Is it the last one or the very first one?
The last one. Tap on it. So when you want to place an order, this is how it will come. So you see sell at the bottom and buy at the top. Then you see some numbers here, negative 0.1, negative 0.011. But because you have $200 account, you set this one to 0.02. So go there and type 0.02 there.
I should go where?
Where the one is. Yes. So when the market opens, when it is 10 o'clock, you can go there and either press buy or sell on any currency. So first thing, the thing should be on market execution. This place should be 0.02. just come down here and press either buy or sell. Just press any.
Okay.
Just do for 2 currencies and screenshot and put in the page. What happened?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. You can you can stop sharing. So I was talking to those who are using the PC to just go to the JK Market website and then scroll down. So when you scroll down and you come here, you see MetaTrader 4. Just click download. Click to download MetaTrader 4. It will open you to just Forex page, and then you just click on hot download. Then you to download. It's not big. It's 4.59 megabytes. And there is a video on how to log in onto your MetaTrader 4. I'll send that to the page to help with those who want to register with the PC version. So there's a hand raised up.
Yes. So JK, is Felix, you want to also set up his? So I'm thinking we can wrap up and then I'll stop the recording. Then we will assist all those people.
Yeah.
Okay. So any questions so far? Anyone that would like to ask a question aside assisting to register and also. Okay. So I'll share my screen and also give a quick announcement since I will be all right. So our quick announcement is that tomorrow we are not meeting, so it's actually weekly on weekends. So we're only meeting on weekends, and then we expect 4 o'clock next week Saturday, and then throughout from Monday to Friday is the time for us to register, ask our necessary questions you want to, and we'll be having a session. Not that we will be available 24/7. So what we'll do is that when we are available, we tell you, okay, I'm available for the next 30 minutes. Then those who have issues will just come up with them. Those who would like to DM us, our DMs are open. Feel free to ask your questions in there. All right. And then the video will also be made available for you to rewatch all over again. So thank you very much for joining this session. So those who would like to stay behind for us to take them through their registration process, we are available for you. You can stay behind. So just give us some few seconds.
Into the future with you, I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you, I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Me give her something with the sweet and ginger. She never get it mad and see. Cause she come here every man. He say she tired of the mac and cheese. One thing more of the keys. But I want time touch and she already thinking. I left time with the participating. She never know what I'm anticipating. The mission is hard for the taking. Now what you love time. I just see you for dream. You love you one time. Baby, I want to go into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say. Into the future with you. I'm not gonna leave you at the end of the road. Give me your love and you know it's safe. Baby, never listen to what them say.